What model of Yamaha machine? Cheap, high precision, and fast assembly speed. Of course, it is the Yamaha YG12 machine. Do you know? The precision of the YG12 machine is the same as that of the YS12 machine and the YS24 machine. The assembly precision of the chip is metric 0402. Let's take a look at the official technical parameters. Do you know the price of buying YS12 and YS24 machines now? I tell you, you may not believe it. Their price can probably buy 2 YG12 machines. Do you know the difference between YG12 and YS12 machines? Let me tell you an industry secret. I don't know if my fellow merchants will be beaten. Just modify a little bit to turn YG12 into a YS12 machine immediately. If you are not a professional, you can't tell the difference between the two machines, YG12 and YS12. You only need to change the pneumatic feeder to an electric feeder and upgrade the system to turn it into a YS12 machine. The upgraded YG12 and YS12 have almost the same performance. If you think that the capacity of 60 feeders is too little, and you want to have a fixed platform with a capacity of 120 feeders, and also want to have a large multifunctional precision camera, YG12 can achieve all of these. Let's calculate the cost of purchasing a YG12 machine and a YS12 machine. 1. The price difference between the YG12 and YS12 main machines is about 80,000 renminbi. 2. The price of one 8mm electric feeder can buy 6 pneumatic feeders. Assuming that you need 78mm feeders, 20 and 12/16mm feeders, and 5 24mm feeders, do you know how much you have invested in the feeder, new feeder? The calculation result may exceed your imagination. The cost of these feeders can buy another YG12 machine. If you are interested in learning about the Yamaha YG12 machine, please pay attention and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.